So Matt,
Alright, get in.
what do you have to say? What's going on right now?
What, about what?
About what's going on outside?
Shit just hit the fan. The fucking place is going down, man. Ice Age, man. Volume 2, bro.
Oh my god, that's so tight looking. It's 7 in the morning.
The shit is going down, man.
Matt
Call
is
the
coming
fucking
hard,
state
snowing.
troopers, dude. It's fucking hitting the fan. Hit up Dad. No, fuck him. Call him later. Holy snaps.
Wow.
Nah, I should've.
Oh my gosh, you can't even see.
Can I try to gun it real quick to shake off this shit?
Sure.
Ain't working.
I mean, if you want to.
Hold on a second.
Yeah.
Glad I wore these gloves.
Hell yeah, dude. I'm putting mine on right now.
Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah.